we have another Best Overall Developer Portal Prize, which was given by the jury. This year, we were looking for mature developer portals, which excel in UX and DX from both an internal and an external angle. Some examples. Mature portals take care of the authoring and publishing experience, enable a fast first API call, have an active community, provide a personalized experience upon login, perform well regarding self-service for both novices and for experienced users, offer relevant documentation for decision makers and developers, innovated how to present and consume content, promote interactive materials, share code examples in multiple languages redundantly, and ensure that the chosen environment, such as platform marketplace, takes the utmost care of differentiated audiences. And last but not least, great developer portals also serve a clear business purpose. They provide their organization with the tools and the space to experiment, learn, and develop new business opportunities. Entry to this category was automatic, but the jury considered only those nominees where the Best Overall Developer Portal questionnaire was submitted. Who are the finalists? Bank developers, Mercedes-Benz developers, and TomTom for developers. The jury stated that they received great submissions this year, and they can see and value the time and effort that teams put in their developer portal journey. There are better and better submissions every year. It was, however, difficult to compare emerging and established businesses, as both have their advantages. Finally, the jury chose to favor the established businesses as they successfully address a more complex situation. So, drumroll for the Best Overall Portal. Who's the winner?
Exciting. Mercedes-Benz developers. Congratulations. And we've got Manuel and Olaf Stelter that are going to come on stage. Here's Manuel. Welcome back.
Hello. Thanks so much. Honestly, I feel so flattered to receive like 3 awards today. And just a few words, I'm really happy to also be here and speaking as a representative from my team. It's a great team, which I'm so lucky to have, which are all participating in bringing Mercedes-Benz developers to life. So yeah, just thanks so much. And also I brought my colleague with me, so Olaf, maybe you can say some words too.
Hi, Olaf.
Hi. As you can see, I have hijacked the room for my eldest daughter. It's my home office here. So this direction, home office, this direction is really relaxing zone. Thank you very much for the award. It's really cool. I really like it. And yeah, it was hard work this year, also because of the pandemic. We all suffer from that, and yeah, that's cool.
I saw you. Yeah. Well, it's been tricky for everybody, I think, just adjusting to the changes and what it's doing to our businesses. Yeah, how many people work with you, Manuel and Olaf, on the developer portal? Like we can see a picture.
Yeah,
there's a picture. I would expect it's around. Let's say the core team is around 20 people.
Yeah.
Yeah,
on the supplier side, but there is a hardcore team. As we started as an let's say core IT project, as you have shown in your presentation before.
Yeah.
And then it extended more and more, and now we have a swarm exists of business people who do, let's say, business development and contracting and legal and all this stuff around the core IT topics. Yeah. But it's always growing and gets more attraction within Mercedes-Benz.
Yeah. What do you think about this interface? Well, I'm putting you on the spot here, so if you don't want to, then tell me. Or maybe we should have a podcast episode about this. But what do you think about the interface thing that I was talking about? Do you also think there is a place on developer portals for things that are already more implemented than the generic APIs. Do you see that going forward? Is that a vision that you can see happening in the future?
I can start and then Manuel can add up something. What I see, we have a product that is not, let's say, targeting everyone, every kind of developer. So it's very, very special and very rare. And we see that we have demands from different, let's say, communities or municipalities who need, let's say, the vehicle data out of their sensors, but they are not aware or capable to implement APIs. They are not mature enough. And that's why we also started in parallel to provide dashboards where we collect and join all the data that we can extract from the cars. So there we see the demand and also our engagement to not only stick on APIs, but also to provide more tools or even in parallel applications to support the use of our data.
Yeah.
Actually, I was laughing when you asked this question, because actually this is one of the biggest discussions that we are currently having internally. Olaf just said that we have this dashboard usually for municipalities and big cities who just want to, for example, observe road conditions data and stuff like that, and they were not able to integrate an API because they just don't have a developer team. And the big question that we are currently facing is, do these dashboards or already pre-built products that are based on APIs actually belong in the developer portal or not? And we, to be honest, we did not answer this question yet for ourselves. Like I said, it's a huge discussion. Yeah, funny that you asked this question.
Maybe you can have like multiple portals for different audiences, but I think the way I see it, it's sometimes really hard to get enough developers building integrations for your APIs. We see that this is a common problem. It's like this dream that you're going to make APIs and then magically people will show up and do your work for you. That's not true. It's like that just, partners there will be some partners that do innovation instead of you. But you can't really rely on, like, that's not a scalable model. And I think what I hope that we'll see going forward is that developers are treated like explorers, where we give them like really, really good gear so that they can go out there and do interesting things and then show the way for the other people that then can follow in their footsteps and bring us to new places. Not just the people that have the money to do the integrations, but also, or the capabilities, but that we can bring those capabilities to wider growing audience. But yeah, I think the other thing
That's right, because we see our traditional customers or the B2B in the middle are the dealers, and the dealers, they are business focused and they know a lot about cars and less about IT. So then we have to bridge them and bring them into our portal and guide them to the right products, API products. So that's why we really started with this business layer on top of the technical platform. Yeah. And that's usually a trend that it's important for all, where you have more, let's say, business-oriented people as your target group than the IT guys.
Yeah, it's interesting. I'd love to have a deeper talk about it on the podcast in the new year.
And then next year.
Yeah. Let's do that. So, congratulations again. Yeah. And thank you for participating again. Thank you for the work you're doing in the German developer portal community.
It's 10-minute advertising. So I
go for it. You're a winner. So
11 in the call right now. And next Friday we have a 2-hour workshop session on the We Are Developers Live Week. It's also a free online event, and you can join the session with Mercedes-Benz developers who will guide through the DevPortal and include some coding sessions. So who is interested is invited here.
So, if you want to learn from the masters, that might also be a good thing to go and check it out. Yeah. So you don't have to own a Mercedes-Benz to attend and to participate.
Yeah. Bring with you.
Cool. Thank you.
Okay.